You just upgraded to the new Cubase 10 Pro. And when you installed it, you noticed at the bottom, looking at your transport, you're missing a few buttons. What do? I'm going to show you how to fix that small problem in this tutorial. So hang tight. Okay, this is probably going to be the quickest tutorial or troubleshooting tutorial I've ever created. It's a simple fix. Basically, you go down to the bottom here of your transport, and you see this button right here. These are 3 little dots right here. You drag those dots, and voila, all the buttons that you were missing are right here. And if you wanted to expand this particular section right here, pretty much it's the same thing. And voila, look at that. You've got your left locator position, your right locator position. You've got your punch in, your punch out. All that stuff is now visible to you. Please let me know if this was helpful to you. Subscribe to my channel. I really do need subscribers. And let me know if you have any additional questions, or if you found anything that is interesting, or anything that would help out other people. Let me know, and I'll do a tutorial on that as well. Thank you for viewing. You see that like button? Click that button. You see that subscribe button? Click that button also. And oh my gosh, look at those comments down there. Please leave a comment, and thank you for watching.